we go. I might have to lower the fire a little bit and spread the love all the way around here. Wow. It's feast worthy. It's feast worthy here. Good old meal. And then I'm gonna go do some push-ups and shake my belly, my humongous belly. I'm gonna go.
Hey, look!
What?
I'm a fox from Great Wolf Lodge.
Wow, that looks cute. Wait, you're a fox from the Wolf Lodge? How does that
Great
work?
Wolf Lodge.
So wouldn't you be a wolf though?
Yeah, but I'm like a winter fox.
You're a winter fox wolf? Okay.
I guess.
Fantasy, fantasy.
I'm a fantasy lover. What? It's true.
Likey